So we're having another lovely walk avec mon chien, with my dog Jasper. In the night, il pleuvait. It was raining. You've learnt il pleut is it is raining. If you want to say it was raining, il pleuvait. Jasper a soif. Jasper's thirsty, so he's drinking the water. Il boit l'eau. Let's carry on with our walk. Come on, Jasper. Allons-y. So it's raining. Il pleut. It's been raining, or it was raining. Il pleuvait. Can you say those for me? Il pleut. Il pleuvait. What can you hear if you listen really carefully? Can you hear the birds? Les oiseaux. Les oiseaux are the birds. Les oiseaux. Can you say that? Les, that means the. Oiseaux. Oiseaux are birds. Oh, can you remember what the word is for these? Les canards. Les canards.